Hello everyone, I am Anuja Shrivastava and I welcome you all in class 6 physics class, and today I will start the second chapter part 3 physical quantities and measurement, and in this video we will study about the measurement of temperature. So, measurement of temperature. So, what is temperature? How we can define the term temperature? So, temperature, it is the degree of hotness and coldness of an object is called temperature. The degree of hotness and coldness of an object. So temperature, each time you heard this word temperature. So what is the unit of temperature? So main unit of temperature is Kelvin. Kelvin is the unit of temperature, but with this Kelvin, degree Celsius, whose symbol is this, and degree Fahrenheit, whose symbol is degree F, is commonly utilized. That means the unit of temperature is Kelvin, but degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit, both these are the common unit utilized for the measurement of the temperature. Now, let's see what is this degree Celsius, what is the Celsius scale, and what is this Fahrenheit scale. So, the degree Celsius scale, if we will talk about the Celsius scale, so Celsius scale, this Celsius scale was discovered by the scientist Anders Celsius. As per the degree Celsius scale, the reading which is there, that in the degree Celsius scale, the boiling point is 100 degree centigrade and freezing point is 0 degree centigrade. Now, between these 2 points, in this scale, between these 2 points, the marking are from 0 to 100, and between each marking, one gap is there, and that gap is denoted as the 1 degree Celsius. That means from 0 to 100 degree Celsius marking is there, and between each marking, the gapping is there, that each gapping is denoted as a 1 degree Celsius. Now let's move toward the Fahrenheit scale. This Fahrenheit scale, is discovered by Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit. As per this scale, the boiling point is 212 degree Fahrenheit, and the freezing point is 32 degree Fahrenheit. That means the marking which is given on the Fahrenheit scale, that is from 32 to 212 degree Fahrenheit. Now, between 32 to 212 degree Fahrenheit, 180 markings are there, and each markings are denoted by 1 degree Fahrenheit. Now, let's move towards the Kelvin scale. Kelvin scale, this Kelvin scale, it is discovered by Lord Kelvin, and in this scale the measurement which is given, that is from 73.16 degree Kelvin to 373.16 degree Kelvin. Now this reading is there, that means here again the 100 degree Kelvin is the total marking, that means from 273 to 373, and here the gapping is just like the Celsius scale, that means the gapping which is denoted by the 1 degree Kelvin each. Now the instrument which is used to measure the temperature, that instrument is known as the thermometer. The thermometer, it is the instrument which is used to measure the temperature. Now thermometer, it is an instrument which is mostly made up of glass. Earlier it was, nowadays the thermometer is also digitalized so that you can easily observe the reading. But commonly thermometer which is made, that is a glass stem type structure. On that stem structure, the things which is there, that is filled with the mercury, and mercury is a type of thing which is liquid at room temperature. So mercury is a liquid at room temperature, approximate 25 degrees centigrade. That's why in thermometer mercury is utilized. In some thermometer, some type of alcohols are also utilized, but the mercury, it gives the accurate reading for that. Now let's see the types of thermometer. So thermometer, it is of two types. First is the clinical thermometer, and second is the laboratory thermometer. Now I already drawn the diagram of thermometer over here. This one is the clinical thermometer. Now let's see how this thermometer works. In clinical thermometer, you can see there is a glass stem. In this glass stem, one capillary tube is there. That capillary tube is filled with the mercury, and the marking which is given here, that is from 35 degrees centigrade to the 42 degree centigrade. This clinical thermometer, that is utilized for measure the temperature of the human body, and here bulb is there. When someone wants to measure his or her temperature, at that time this bulb structure is kept inside the mouth or sometime under the arms, and the mercury that rise up in this capillary tube. After measuring the temperature, when the thermometer is taking out from the mouth, so that mercury cannot again move towards the bulb. That's why one kink is here, this rotated structure, so that the mercury cannot move that side. The human body temperature is not less than 35 degrees centigrade and not more than the 42 degree centigrade. Now the other one is the laboratory thermometer. This laboratory thermometer, this one, it is utilized inside the laboratory for measuring the temperature in the laboratory. In this laboratory thermometer, the marking is given from -10 degree centigrade to the 110 degree centigrade, and this is widely utilized inside the laboratory. So this is about the measurement of temperature. Rest of the topic, the measurement of time and measurement of area, we will study in the next video. Okay, so watch the video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.